Welcome to Incident Triage. In this video, we'll explore the critical process of initial assessment and routing. When incidents occur, the speed and accuracy of your response determines the impact on your organization. Let's learn how to triage incidents effectively. Triage is the process of quickly assessing incidents to determine their severity, urgency, and the appropriate team for resolution. The term comes from medical emergency rooms, where doctors assess patients to determine who needs immediate care. In incident management, we apply the same principle. Speed, accuracy, and routing are the three pillars of effective triage. Speed means making fast initial assessments. Accuracy means correct classification. And routing means assigning the incident to the right team that can actually fix it. There are four main goals of incident triage. First, prioritize impact by identifying which incidents affect the most users or critical systems. Second, minimize MTTR, which stands for mean time to resolution, by routing to the correct team immediately to reduce resolution time. Third, allocate resources effectively by ensuring teams focus on high-priority incidents first. Fourth, communicate clearly with stakeholders by notifying them with clear severity levels and estimated impact, so everyone understands what's happening. To properly triage an incident, you need to evaluate four key criteria. Severity measures the impact level based on how much the system is degraded. Urgency indicates how quickly action is needed. Affected users tells you how many people are impacted by the incident. And service category identifies what type of system is affected, such as infrastructure, applications, databases, or networks. These criteria work together to give you a complete picture of the incident. There are four severity levels used in incident classification. Critical severity means complete service outage or all major functionality is down, affecting all users. High severity means significant functionality is degraded or partially unavailable, affecting multiple users. Medium severity indicates minor functionality is affected or there are performance issues, impacting some users. Low severity covers cosmetic issues or informational problems affecting a single user or having no real impact. Use these levels to classify incidents consistently across your organization. The triage process follows four key steps. First, gather information by collecting all incident details, including what happened when it happened, who reported it, and which systems are affected. Second, determine scope by identifying how many users are impacted and what services are involved. Third, assign severity by classifying the incident based on the impact and urgency criteria we discussed. Fourth, identify the owning team by determining which team owns the affected service or component. These steps should be completed quickly but thoroughly. Once you've assessed the incident, you need to route it to the correct team. If it's an infrastructure or network issue, route it to the infrastructure team who will check networks, servers, and cloud resources. If it's an application performance or error issue, route it to the application team who will review logs, code, and deployment status. If it's a database availability or corruption issue, route it to the database team who will check connections, queries, and backups. If it involves an external service or third-party system, route it to the integration team who will contact the vendor or escalate a support ticket. Immediate communication is crucial. Notify the assigned team right away, alert stakeholders about the severity, and provide them with the incident ticket link so they can track progress. Document all triage details, including your assessment findings, the reasoning behind the severity decision, and the routing decision. If the incident is critical, create a war room by establishing an incident bridge, inviting all relevant teams, and setting a regular update cadence. Throughout the incident, continue updating the status regularly, adjust the severity as new information emerges, and escalate if necessary. Remember four key takeaways from this video. Speed matters because fast assessment minimizes impact and reduces resolution time. Accurate classification ensures the right severity and routing so appropriate resources respond. Clear communication is essential as you document and notify all stakeholders promptly. And continuous reassessment is important because you should adjust severity and response as new information emerges. Good triage is the foundation of effective incident management. When you master triage, you set your organization up for faster resolution and better outcomes.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.